Hello all, here I'm doing a AP50 cylinder head. It's got a couple of broken fins. I've already started welding up the fins. It's just a case of building layer upon layer of weld bead until the height of the original fin is reached. And the reason why I do it this way is because you can't get to weld a piece of material in there with a TIG torch, so you have to start from the base perpendicular and build it up and up until you have enough material there to reshape the original. There it goes. Switch angle now, get the sides built up to match. Now essentially, it's nearly there now. You can see the height is level with the other corresponding fins. I've got enough material there to sand down to create the shape, and a couple of little nicks and scrapes on the other fin which I'll fill in as well, and then we're getting there.